Hello YouTube, Boss Dandan is here. Ang papanoorin nating video ngayon ay scary video with ghost sighting and unexplained phenomena. So nakakatakot to. Di ko alam kung saang lugar to. Ito ay siguro ito ay Malaysia or Indonesia, mga ganon. So simulan na natin to bago pa simulan pa ng iba.
A terrifying incident was captured on video when a man deliberately installed a camera in his house while he and his parents were asleep. This was done to find out what was actually suspected of terrorizing their home every night. The camera was left recording undisturbed until it finally captured a moment that truly makes anyone shudder. Take a close look at the recording.
Inaan yung doorknob parang binubuksan. Gumagalaw-galaw yung doorknob. Lakas. Pucha. Pucha na kung ako yun. Tumakbo na ako, maripas na ako niyan, sisigaw na ako niyan. Walang iya. Lakas.
As seen in the video, when the father opened the door to check outside the house, a shrouded figure was clearly visible standing in front of him. However, as soon as the door opened, the figure immediately floated away and
Anong lugar kaya to, no? Ganyan yung nila. Yung multo, no? Pokong tawag ata dyan. Hindi natin alam kung anong history niyan. Pero ganon siguro ganon ang multo sa kanila. No? Ganon ata yung mga suotan ng mga mga patay yung ililibing. Yung ganon ang suotan.
disappeared. The father, who looked shocked, immediately closed the door again and chose to go back to sleep, as if too afraid to face what he had just seen. To this day, the incident in the recording still raises
Walang hiya pag ganyan, di na ako makakatulog ulit niyan.
questions about what actually appeared outside their house that night.
Ikaw kaya makakatulog ka niyan?
A terrifying video shared by a TikTok user shows the unexpected experience of an online motorcycle taxi driver. In the recording, the driver is seen searching for a customer's home address, which is quite difficult to find and is located in a deserted area. As they walk along the increasingly
Wah, klaseng lugar yan, no? Ano to? Parang Lalamove? Parang Grab? Katakot ang lugar na yan no? Liblib. Kung ako, yan? Auto cancel sa
dark
akin yan.
streets, the atmosphere begins to feel uneasy. Unbeknownst to them, at a certain moment the camera actually captured something that makes this video feel gripping. Take a look at the video.
Gagi, multo ata nag-book dyan Ako, babalik na lang ako niyan pag ganyan. Ayoko na. Bahala na lang. Parang subdivision. Grabe, nakakatakot din pala mga subdivision no?
Hello. Hello.
Uy, gagi, ano yan? Putik. White lady? Kung ako, ay nako, atras na kagad ako. Ganun kagad ako ng motor niyan. Marurot kagad. 120 kagad ang takbo. Walang hiya, bahala na. White lady nga, oh. Bumalik ka, bumalik. Pero hindi niya siguro napansin eh, no?
As seen in the recording, when the driver crossed the dimly lit road, a white figure was seen standing in front of him. Its shape was vague, but clear enough to cause goosebumps. It is
Multo. Wait, anong ginagawa ng ano yan dyan?
unknown whether the driver was aware of the figure's presence or not. However, shortly after the moment was recorded, he was seen rushing away quickly. Until now, it has not been confirmed what exactly was captured on camera. Was it real?
Diyos, multo yan. Yun mo hugis niya, no? Kung tao yan, di magsusot ng ganyan. O baka nananakot lang, no? Tinatakot lang yung delivery.
An apparition or just another object that looked like a mysterious figure? What do you think actually appears in this video?
Multo para sa akin. Walang hiya.
A strange incident experienced by a group of fishermen while they were on the high seas. In this recording, the fishermen were carrying out their fishing activities as usual until their eyes were drawn to something that completely did not make sense. In front of them was an old building resembling a house or an old restaurant floating alone in the middle of the sea. Driven by curiosity and the possibility that there was someone in need of help, they decided to approach while recording. But just then, in one of the windows of the building, something resembling a human face appeared for a moment peering out of the building. Take a good look at the footage.
Stop. Let's meet you. He's talking.
Play. Ano meron? Hindi nakita eh.
He's talking to me. Answer. What are you living? Let's.
Saan?
Meet you.
Wala akong nakita eh. Asan? Ayun, gagi, sumilip nga. May sumilip nga, no? Yun, no? Ang hirap pa naman tumakbo niyan dyan. Dagat eh.
Later, the truth behind the building was revealed. The object that drifted was known to be the remains of an old restaurant called La Radradar Ay Tatracadero, uprooted from its original location
Restaurant pala dati yun, no? Doon itinayo sa ng dagat.
by Hurricane Priscilla. The restaurant, which had been standing since 1979, was swept hundreds of kilometers and split into two parts. Some were found stranded in different areas of the Mexican coast. Authorities confirmed that no one was inside the building when the incident occurred. However, fishermen said they would never forget the human-like AQ they saw in the Peleding. Some called it just an illusion of light, but others said it could have been the apparition of a spirit.
Espiritu yan.
A strange incident was recorded by a man and gave anyone who watched it goosebumps. That afternoon, approaching sunset, the man was fishing in a river in a plantation area by Caavia. Initially, the atmosphere seemed normal as usual, but slowly the situation changed when he heard a strange voice that sounded faint, as if calling his name from the direction of the trees around the river. Because he was sure that no one but him was in that location, fear began to emerge. However, curiosity drove him to search for the source of the voice while recording it with his cell phone. And what was captured on camera was truly beyond expectations.
Gagi, isda lang yun. Tumakbo ka, isda lang yun eh. Ano lang yun, tilapia eh. Ikaw naman eh. Karipas pa yung takbo eh, no? Walang yan, takot siya sa tilapia.
As heard and seen in the recording, the voice sounded quite clear, as if inviting the man to come closer. But when he stepped closer to the river, he was suddenly shocked after seeing a scary apparition, Agamanishin. A head appeared on the riverbank with pale skin, black eyes, and a sharp gaze that was directed directly at him. Realizing what was in front of him, the man was immediately filled
Wala
with
akong
panic
makita.
and without thinking chose to run away from the location because of fear. Because of fear.
Pero tumunog eh, no? Tingin ko tilapia lang
A
yun eh.
strange incident was experienced by a man while he was climbing a mountain. When he was already at the peak area and resting in his tent, the atmosphere that was initially calm suddenly changed. In the midst of the fog that began to descend, his gaze was drawn to something that felt very unsettling, feeling uncomfortable. He also chose to
Anong puti na yan?
stay in the tent while recording what he saw.
Gagi.
Try
White lady.
watching the video.
O itong ano, so sasabihin ko sa inyo no, totoo ang white lady. Kasi ako mismo, kami mga kababata ko, doon sa probinsya, nangunguha kami ng ano nun, gagamba, gabi. Talagang nakakita kami ng white lady nakalutang oh, pero hindi siya ano, wala siyang muka. Talagang puti lang, puti tapos paglingon ko biglang nawala. Tapos ganun din ang ano, ganun din ang naano ng mga kasama ko, mga kababata ko ngayon. Noon, ngayon, iwan ko kung naalala pa nila yon, pero legit yun. So, nakakatakot yun. Babae talaga eh, no? White lady nga. White lady nga. White lady nga.
As seen in the recording, a white figure is seen standing near the trees.
Pero sa tingin nyo, di ba to edited? Di ba may cellphone na ano? May lumalabas na multo-multo. Di kaya edited yan. Ano sa tingin nyo?
Its form is not clearly visible due to thick fog, but it vaguely resembles the figure of a Kuntilanak ghost to Hyene. The figure only appears silent in the distance, enough to make the atmosphere feel even more tense. Until now, it is not known what exactly she saw that night. However, this recording has managed to give many people
Parang gumagalaw, no? White lady nga, ganyan na ganyan yun eh. Nalutang. Pero gabi yun yung amin. Ito parang
goosebumps
umaga
when watching
ata.
it.
Gagi, nakakatakot yan. Ako nakakita nung takbo. Anak ng tokwa. Hindi ko nabibidyohan yan. Pero kasi pag walang video sa panahon ngayon, no, walang naniniwala, no? Kailangan talaga may video para maniwala eh.
A terrifying video was shared by a woman who was alone in her house at that time. That night, the atmosphere initially felt normal until suddenly she realized that a strange man wearing a mask had infiltrated the house.
Tsuh,
The presence of the unknown person immediately made her panic and
magnanakaw to.
afraid.
Ay, putang na, nakita ka, gago, tumakbo ka na.
What do you want?
As seen in the recording, the masked man seemed to clearly know where the woman was. Yes. The camera captured the moment when the man's face peeked out from under the crack in the bedroom door,
Uy,
making the situation even more tense.
Walang hiya. Ito yung mahirap, no? Kapag babae, kapag matatakutin, mapapatakbo ka talaga. Pero sa tingin ko kung ako yun, tapos yun ang papasok sa ano, eh, kita ko naman parang walang dala, walang kutsilyo, walang baril. Lalabanan ko yan eh. Pero hirap talaga pag babae, no? Lalo na pag walang alam sa mga karate. Talagang mapapatakbo na lang eh.
Shortly after, the woman turned off the camera because she was afraid. She admitted that recently she had often experienced terror from someone she did not know. Until now, it is not known whether the masked man was actually a thief or just a hoax. What do you think? A video circulating on TikTok has captured the attention of many users and sparked debate. The video, uploaded by an account named Yoga Pramana, shows a man inside an empty building that appears to have been abandoned for a long time. Not much information is provided about the location or purpose of his presence there. However, in the recording, the man can be heard challenging the supernatural being believed to inhabit the building to appear here.
Oh, the supernatural being who is here!
Bakit tapang mo, gagi?
I challenge you all to come. Come and join my event tonight! There's a voice. Whatever your form,
Ang tatakbo ha, pag may nagpakita ha. Tumakbo ka lang. Ay, puta.
La ilaha!
Yun nga, no? Yan sinasabi ko sa'yo eh. Walang hiya ka. Tapang-tapang mo, tas sisigaw ka.
illallah! La ilaha illallah! La ilaha illallah!
In the recording, shortly after he utters the challenge and says to appear in whatever form, a figure resembling a shroud appears from one of the rooms behind him. From one of the rooms behind him. The appearance happened suddenly and was caught on
Nakakatakot, no? Tangkad eh, oh.
camera. When the man realized the figure's presence, he appeared shocked and immediately ran away from the location. It is still unclear whether the video captures a real event or was simply staged in Ashitra, and this continues to be a topic of discussion among netizens. A strange and creepy video was shared by a man named Advil who claimed to have first experienced an unnatural incident in his house in October 2015. At that time,
Ito yung nakakatakot yung mga ganitong daanan eh. Wala kaya. Sasamid pa ako ah. Yung mga nakakatakot mga ganitong daanan eh. Tsaka ng dilim eh. Wala kaya.
Overcome by curiosity and fear, he turned on his phone and started recording to find out what was really happening. This is the first recording that he later uploaded to YouTube.
Hello? I'm gonna turn on the light. Alright.
Sinabi mo kasi kaya tuloy nawala. Hindi mo sinabi na bubuksan mo yung ilaw. Para bulaga.
Hello? Okay. I heard something. Nothing.
Kaya huwag ka manggugulat ha. Whoa!
As seen in the recording, Phil was shocked when a cupboard in the basement suddenly moved by itself. There was no one in the room but him, making the
Nalakas eh, no? Gumalaw eh.
incident seem even more unreasonable. 3 days after the first incident, the same strange sound was heard again from the same area. Feeling that there was
Babalik ka pa ba dyan? Di na, oy.
something unsolved, he turned on the camera again and recorded the next incident. In the recording,
Kaya
a dark figure resembling a human was seen walking
nga,
under
no?
the basement stairs.
Ay, naglalakad no?
The appearance of the figure was quite clear and
Ayun na, yun,
immediately
no?
shocked
Yun, no?
Advil.
Yung
Since
itim. Ooh! Yung balahibo ka.
Then, he admitted that he was increasingly convinced that his house was truly haunted.
No?
The question is, was this dark figure moving the cupboard in the basement, or was it all just a fabrication?
Di kaya to gawa-gawa lang. Klaro, pero ewan ko ba na. Mas balahibo ko eh.
A terrifying incident was experienced by an Arab YouTuber named Jassim. One night, he decided to explore alone in an empty building known to be haunted. From the moment he entered the building, the atmosphere felt uneasy. Jassim began to hear strange sounds like the sound of objects moving by themselves from the direction of the next room. Even though no one appeared,
Ano naman nakakatakot ng mga pinapasok eh. Di man lang sila natatakot mga ganitong ano no. Grabe yung mga ghost hunter.
to be in the building.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
As seen in the recording, after not finding the source of the sound downstairs, Jassim decided to continue exploring upstairs. However, there, strange events occurred again. He again heard mysterious sounds, and this time clearly saw an object in one of the rooms moving by itself without anyone touching it. The incident did not stop. After checking the room and making sure no one was there, Jassim tried to approach another room whose door was closed. As he entered and recorded the surrounding area, there was one oddity that escaped his attention at the time, but was clearly
Natapang no. Lalapitan niya pa. Tindi nito.
visible on camera, but try to pay close attention.
Che. Yung tipong ano no, ready ako pagka ano, may manggugulat eh. Yung pagbubukas pala ng pinto eh, parang magugulat ka na kahit wala naman eh. Yung tuloy kapag iniisip mo na ano eh, may nakakatakot eh. Pagka ano talaga no, kapag iniisip mo na merong multo o nakakatakot ang lugar na yon. So laging nasa isip, tumatakbo sa isip mo eh, kaya katuloy natatakot eh. No? Ganun talaga no.
Upon closer inspection, the strangeness was related to a knife that was initially seen on a table near the door. Jassim had passed the table, opened the door, and looked inside the room briefly. However, when he turned around, the knife was no longer there. As he was about to leave the room, the most shocking incident occurred.
La ilaha illallah.
Na mo,
La ilaha
walang hiya.
illallah. La ilaha illallah.
The knife suddenly flew away by itself. Who knows where it came from or who threw it? Luckily, the knife hit the door and missed him. Overwhelmed with fear of the worst, Jassim immediately rushed downstairs and decided to end the night's exploration in Unayan.
Uwi na ako, sabi niya. Natakot eh. Pasok-pasok ka dyan tapos takot ka.
A strange incident was experienced by a woman while she was walking home at night. In her statement, she admitted that she couldn't believe what she had experienced. Since she was halfway there, an uneasy feeling had arisen. It was as if something was constantly following her from behind. As her fear grew stronger, she immediately turned on her phone camera and began re-recording to confirm what was really happening.
Ay, yung bata, gagi, bata. Bata, oh. Ang ginagawa ng bata dyan. Ay, natakbo. Bata lang yun. Ba't ka tatakbo? Bata lang yun eh. May kasama pala siya eh. Dalawa yung ano niya eh. Dalawa yung anino niya eh.
As seen in the recording, the figure of a small child suddenly appeared standing right in the middle of the road, right in front of the woman, Wine. Even though only a few seconds before the road looked completely empty without anyone, the
Oo nga, kanina wala eh. Yan, biglang may bata dyan.
sudden appearance immediately made her panic. Without thinking, the woman immediately ran away in fear and left the location as quickly as possible. Until now, it is unknown who or what the figure that appeared in the middle of the road.
Esquisita, nunca.
Shit.
So-
Takpo eh, no? Kahit ano, yung tipong ano, dati, ano ba yun, nangunguha ata kami ng ano nun eh, no? Yung, tawag kasi sa amin yung bagakay, yung pwede gawing baril-baril yung bala ng ano, ibabala yung papel, yung puputok, tas pag nakatama masakit. Nguha kami nun nung ano eh, doon sa ano namin eh, sa bukid, nguha kami nun. Tapos merong baboy ramo ata yun, o baboy. Nakita ng kababata ko sino ba yun? Si Roy, si Taroy. Tumakbo kami pero takot kami, yung tipong takot kami pero nagtatawanan pa rin kahit natakot. Mga walang iya.
Well, those are the 5 most gripping videos showing ghost sightings and strange events. What do you think? Try to share your opinion in the comments column. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
So ayun nga no, so husgahan ko na ang video na yon. So hindi nga talaga may paliwanag kung ano yung mga nakita o nakuna ng camera na yon. Pero para sa akin nakakatakot.